Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to download Fortnite on your mobile device. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, the process is simple. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your phone. Tap the search bar and go to epicgames.com. Once the Epic Games website loads, look for the option to download or install the Epic Games Store. If you're using an Android device, tap the Android download option to download the Epic Games Store APK. After the download finishes, open the APK file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Epic Games Store on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, make sure your device is running a supported version of iOS. Follow the installation instructions provided on the Epic Games website, as the setup process may vary depending on your region and Apple's current installation options. Once the Epic Games Store is installed, open it and search for any game. Tap the Install button and wait for the game to download and install on your device. After the installation is complete, launch Fortnite, sign in with your Epic Games account if prompted, and you're ready to start playing. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.